This is a new application called Shared Piano, and anybody that has a web browser can use it. It's not something you have to download. You just type in Google Shared Piano. It's going to pull this up, and you can play it. You can play it with a touch screen. You can play it with your keys on a keyboard or on a laptop keyboard. You can also hook a MIDI keyboard up to your laptop or whatever device you're using. Any keyboard in the last 30 years is going to have MIDI, and all you need is a cable. I got this keyboard for free. You can get a MIDI keyboard for less than $100. You can get the cable for like $10. So you can get set up pretty easily with this kind of setup. Now, what makes it Shared Piano is really the coolest part about this, and what it means is there's like a little link at the bottom, and I can send that up to 10 people, and they can be in this shared piano room with me. So this is really ideal for anybody who wants to share piano music. It's especially useful for music teachers, piano teachers, music students, and anybody that wants to collaborate and share musical ideas. I use it a lot for my students, and it's great because I can, play something, or they can, play something for me, and I can hear it and see it and go back and forth. It's just because a lot of times with quarantine, we're doing stuff on Skype and Zoom and stuff. So this is another tool. What's really cool is you can have it on your phone too. So like, say you got your student and you're working with them, and you can be playing and have it going on, you see their face or whatever, and then you can have your phone out and see what the keyboard is doing. So let's check out this app a little bit, and this is part of the Chrome Music Lab series, and there's a lot of other cool apps that they have as well. So let's see. In the app here, I'm going to go to Note Names, and this is one of the coolest features I think it has, because it's actually going to tell me the letter name. I'm playing a C, it says a C, C sharp, and this is really useful because a lot of my students have never had an in-person piano instruction before, and it makes it a lot easier to be able to communicate exactly where the note is. I'll tell people to play a C, and they'll be playing an F. So because it's easy to confuse, and it takes a while for that to become second nature. So you can also get in here and let's see, change you can play a drum kit. Let's see what other sounds we got. I like the string sound. Lots of fun to be had with Shared Piano, and I don't think people realize how awesome, or at least music teachers and music students, musicians, I don't think people have realized how awesome this is. So that's why I wanted to share my experience with this and teach people a little bit about it. You don't have to have any fancy software or anything. This is just a website. So just get on Google, type in Shared Piano, and I'll play you a song to listen to and to go out on. So thanks for joining me.